Students, today I am teaching you Social Studies of Standard 4. Chapter number is 2. Topic of the lesson is Timeline and Calendar. Timeline is a line of dates arranged in the correct order. Look at the given dates. Arrange them in the blank timeline in the correct order. The date is 2019, 1999, 1960, 1853, 1925. Now write here. Which date comes first? 1853. So write here 1853. Now second date is 1925. Write here 1925. Then after 1960. Write here 1960. The next 1999. Again write here 1999. And the last one is 2019. The year 2019 in your timeline is in the 21st century. The word calendar, when I used this word calendar. Children, we remember in each of our classroom we had a calendar. Now see, this is our school calendar. Calendar mostly says about the month, the days and the dates and the special occasion. Now children, calendar is very important for us. By looking at the calendar, we start our day. Now let me define, before getting into the chapter, first let me define about the word calendar. Calendar. Calendar is defined as a chart or series of pages showing the days, months of a particular year or giving a particular seasonal information. Now, after getting the information of calendar, let us study calendar is divided into two: Gregorian calendar and the Saka calendar. Let us focus on Gregorian calendar. It is the most popular civil calendar. It is originally from Europe, where most people were Christians. For them, the birth of Jesus Christ was the most important event in history. Therefore, the numbering of years in this calendar starts from the time of the Christ's birth. Place your finger on year 1 on this timeline and jump forwards until you reach the year 2000. See here. Start here 1, 100, 200 and 300. You jump forward until you reach the year 2000. Say the years aloud as you jump. See here. This is structure of Gregorian calendar. Let's find out how many months there in Gregorian calendar. Gregorian calendar has 12 months. So it starts with January and ends with December. Children, please understand the common year has 365 days and 29 days in a leap year. The leap year has 366 days. I hope children you have understand this. The common year has 365 days and the leap year has 366 days. The year 2020 is a leap year. Children, do you know who designed the Gregorian calendar? The answer is the Gregorian calendar is designed by Pope Gregory XIII in October 1582. Regarding the leap year, the Gregorian calendar says every year that is divisible by 4 is a leap year. Now tell me, which year is going on? 2020. Now divide by 4. What do you find? See, 2020 is divisible by 4. That means 2020 is a leap year. But the years that are divisible exactly by 100 are not leap years, but can be leap year if they are divisible by 400. For example, 1600, 1800, 1900 and 2000. We take 16,000 and 2000. These are leap year because they are exactly divisible by 400. Whereas 1800 and 1900 are divisible by 100 but not 400. It is not exactly divisible by 400. That means 1800 and 1900 is not a leap years. Next, let us study about the Saka calendar. After independence, the Saka calendar was decided to be the national calendar of India. It was decided to be used along with the Gregorian calendar. The similarities and differences between these two calendars are as follows. Now see, the Gregorian and Saka calendars both are solar calendars based on the movement of the earth around the sun. Therefore, they both have 365 days in a year and 360 days in a leap year. January is the first month of the Gregorian calendar. Chaitra is the first month of the Saka calendar. The starting point of the Gregorian calendar is the year 0. But of the Saka calendar, it is 78 CE of the Gregorian calendar. A date in the Saka calendar is always 78 years less than the date in the Gregorian calendar. Now see, here are 3 questions for you. You have to solve this in your book. Write the Gregorian calendar year here. Alright. Subtract 78 from the number which you write here. Please subtract 78 from this number. This is today's Saka year. Find out the months of the Saka calendar. CE. CE means the CE years were known as the AD years. That means Anno Domini in Latin. This one I already explained in the previous chapter. Anno Domini means in the year of an Lord. So let's find out how many months there are in the Saka calendar. See, this is the structure of the Saka calendar. The calendar that is used for general purposes used in India along with the Vikram Samvat calendar. It is a historical Hindu calendar. Saka calendar has 12 months. So it starts with a Chaitra and it's end with Fagun. So Fagun is the last month of the Saka calendar. Normally the Chaitra month consists of 30 days and it starts on March 22nd according to the Gregorian calendar. In a leap year, Chaitra has 31 days and it starts on March 21st. Do you know why it's 22nd March? Why not 1st March, 15th April, 25th September? Well, it's because during the time we celebrate Harvest Festival. That means Indian New Year. Our next topic is numbering the years in the Gregorian calendar. And this topic I will explain you tomorrow. After that, you have to solve these exercises. Tick the correct option, fill in the blanks, true, false, and matching. You will do this work in your book. Thank you.